There was actually a railway line out this way. It was a big party town in the summer. Hi, I'm Karen, and today I am at the Murray Springs Clovis Site, and I'm going to hike over towards the San Pedro, maybe over towards Lewis Springs. I'm just trying to get out while it's still a nice, cool morning and enjoy a little walk on flat ground after that Sky Island Summit Challenge. Oh, that was steep and tough. I think I'm going to head towards the San Pedro River, even though I forgot my water shoes. I'll take this kind of unmarked side trail, and I'll watch out for snakes. Still a little bit cool, so I think I'll be okay. And I think you can see it, the old railroad bed up there. Well, here I am kind of stuck on this side of the river. Let me go down a little bit and see if there's a better place to cross. And yes, I got wet. I'll let my feet dry out for a little bit after I got wet going across the river. Well, I'm gonna head on back after having a nice little breakfast break here under this big cottonwood tree. I gotta say, it's just really beautiful over here. Back in the day, there was actually a railway line out this way. And they used to bring hundreds of folks from Wilcox and Bisbee It was a big party town in the summer. A little bit cool in the trees by the spring. And now I got to see if I can make it back across with feet drier than on the way over. Oh, my right foot went in again. Ah, well, not too bad. On the way over to Lewis Springs this morning, I didn't stop and actually go down to Murray Springs. But let's take a look at what's right on down here. I'm not sure if this is the main section right here or if the main section is back there where there's other big trees, but definitely the springs are back here with the big trees. Today's hike was just a little shy of 7 miles, and as I needed after the Sky Island Summit Challenge, it only had about 300 feet in elevation gain in total, and that was just like 1 foot at a time. It was not, there were no steep parts. It was exactly what I needed. It was great to be out early in the morning. I was on the trail by 6 a.m. in order to beat the heat, which is supposed to be in the mid-90s today. So that's my safety tip for the day. It's going to be warm. Get out early in the morning. Enjoy your hike and then get inside. See you on next week's hike.